everyone, this is Shantam with Millpond Bath Body. I am super excited to share with you a new product that I have just released, and it is bathtub teas. For those of you who've never heard of bathtub tea or never tried it, oh my gosh, it is something you definitely need to try. A little bit different than bath bombs or bath salts. These actually go in these really handy, let me see if I can open this up without getting in the way here. These come with a little two little muslin scoop or muslin bags along with this little wooden scoop. And the muslin bags are reusable, and each one of these products that I have, I'm just gonna set that back up there. Each one of these products that I have do different things for you. So stress relief has a lot of the botanicals in it that help with relieving stress and helping you feel relaxed and rested. The skin softening also has things in it that help soften the skin, soothe the skin, like oatmeal and chamomile and things like that. And then the summer nights, which is a really popular one. This one is more of a light, fruity, florally kind of scent. It has rosebuds, chamomile, lavender, and a hint of citrus in it. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this and demonstrate for you how to use your tub teas. Okay, you're going to want to open up your tub tea and pull out one of your muslin bags and fill it up about half to 3/4 full. Get your scoop in there. Oh, I didn't get that much in there. So all natural, botanical. This one has rose, jasmine flowers, calendula, lavender, hibiscus, a few others in here, along with some Dead Sea salt, some Himalayan salt. But as you turn on your tub, you want to maybe fill this before you start your tub, but fill it up about 3/4 full. That should about do it. And then cinch your bag shut. Tie it off at the end so you can hang it over your faucet. Get it wet underneath your faucet and hang it up. Let it run until your tub is full. Then once your tub is full, you just want to turn it off. Then you can take your bag and toss it in your tub. Easy peasy. You don't get all of the botanicals floating around in the tub. It's just like making a cup of tea, except for you're making a tub of tea. Now, if you don't want to hassle with the reusable muslin bags, I do also offer the disposable ones. You just toss them in your tub and let them dissolve away. After you're done, just toss them in the trash. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you decide to try some of my tub tea. You'll be able to hear me over the running water, but I'm going to demonstrate how to use bathtub tea.